one vote. And any city in any state in America could completely ban firearms.
How many Democrats do you think you can peel off in opposing her?
I don't know. I think a number of Democrats have got to be uneasy about this nomination. So we'll see. For example, the gun issue. Her testimony was very much like Sotomayor's testimony, which gave the impression that she believed that the Heller case and the Chicago case had basically by a razor-thin 5-4 majority upheld the right to keep and bear arms as a personal right. She said that was settled law. And then I asked her what she meant by settled law. Well, it's just worthy of the respect precedent has. Well, a 5-4 recent decision is not very strong precedent, basically. And so that's almost exactly what Sotomayor said. And when she got on the bench within a year, she had voted to strike down essentially the individual protection of the right to keep and bear arms, to eviscerate the Second Amendment. This is a huge issue. And I think a number of Democratic colleagues and Republican colleagues will hear from constituents about that.
Speaking of Sotomayor, the answer she gave you during her confirmation hearings turned out to be, would you say, dishonest or evasive now that you've been able to analyze her legal opinions while a justice?
Well, you know, no one should be expected to make an absolute firm opinion in a court on an issue that would come before them. They haven't heard the briefs and that kind of thing. But she did use language that indicated she thought the Heller case was settled law, that she recognized the right to keep and bear arms was important to American people, and yet she, in her first real case, held that it wasn't a personal right, basically. It does not apply to the states and the cities through the 14th Amendment. Like almost every other constitutional Bill of Rights does. And that was a huge decision. And what it means is that one vote switch on the court, one vote, and any city in any state in America could completely ban firearms. And this is a evisceration of the Second Amendment. It would be a dramatic alteration of our historical understanding of our Constitution and what it means. So I was very disappointed in that.